When a tenant violates the terms of their lease, a written lease violation notice is the appropriate first response, creating a formal record of the violation and giving the tenant an opportunity to cure before the situation escalates. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a lease violation notice effectively. A lease violation notice should identify the specific lease clause that was violated, describe the violation in specific factual terms, dates, nature of the conduct, supporting evidence, and state whether the tenant has an opportunity to cure the violation and by what deadline. For most curable violations, unauthorized pets, noise complaints, unauthorized occupants, improper trash disposal, offering a cure period is standard practice and may be legally required in your state. The cure period varies by state, but is typically 3 to 14 days. For incurable violations or repeat violations, the notice may be unconditional, demanding that the tenant vacate without an option to cure. Check your state's specific requirements before sending an unconditional notice. Always document the violation before sending the notice. Photos, written complaints from neighbors, and dated log entries create the evidentiary record you'll need if the case goes to court. Our free lease violation notice form covers both cure or quit and unconditional formats. For the free form and landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.